Gods! Knowledge na all! Oh! Oh! Semifinals, 55K GP. Blessy and Edward birthday race. Backstock. Per set, oh? Okay, kunin nyo na yan. Per set. Auto podium to. Wala na. Matulis. Unang pumasok ng finals. Uy, abante na ano to, Advan. Advan. Uy, umilag. Second set. Advan ulit. Uy, kaya pala. Second set, semifinals. Charge versus Gold. Kalaka, Batangas versus Etibac, Dasma. Uy, kinasa na. Umembang. Oh! Yeah, last car tayo. Winner, last car. Last car mo na. Uno. Advan ulit. Dalawa ng Advan. Advan ulit ang pumasok. Oh, shit. Advan ulit. Dalawang Advan na. O baka may Advan pa dyan, ha? Oh, shit. Last set. Uy! Oh, may tama sa leeg! Ito na. Isla versus Nonits, the Old Gods. At Pamilya Di Magiba. Malubahan tama, leeg. Last set, semifinals, 55K GP. Last lap. Oh! Nonits, the Old Gods. Hoy! Finals tayo. Uy, bakit may trophy na agad? Ito. Yung trophy natin, guys, ha? Sino ang mag-uuwi? Edward. Blessy birthday race. Finals.
Baka pwedeng kumali na kami sa 1,000 ni Bob.
Finals.
55 trophy.
Picture muna kayo. Ayos na. Finals. Nagatian na yan, ha? 55K. 55K finals. Blessy and Edward birthday race. Backstock. 55K GP. Advan na una, napakatulin. Oy, hinabol ni Nonits the Old Gods. Oh! Champion! Second third! lupit. Nasaan yung ano? Champion? Champion car. 55k GP. Champion. Second, kay Nonits. Nonits. Third. Uy, congrats. First time niya, madam? Uy, congrats.